What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish, we have the occasional unboxing, but I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing 2 looks, 1 palette, featuring a palette I clearly can't find anymore. I just used this like today, so I don't know why I couldn't find it. So today we are doing 2 looks, 1 palette, featuring the Ace Beaute Nostalgia palette. I decided to only do 2 looks with this. So this is the palette here. It does come with 15 shades, a full-size mirror. 3 of those shades are pressed glitter type. These 3 right here, they're kind of like glittery. They're not like chunky, but they're not necessarily smooth. This one's the smoothest. I really like the color story in this. I did do the 2 looks with it. We're gonna get right into that, and then I'm going to share my final thoughts on what I think of this palette. Let's get right into it. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching both of these looks come together. Overall, I don't hate this palette, but I don't love this palette either. I really like the colors in this palette, so I probably will do a few more looks with it, but for the purpose of this video, I only wanted to do 2. There's a lot of options, but the two that I did were the two that called to me the most. I am interested in using this shade Popsicle, but these 3 shades here, it just didn't quite complete it for me. I would have liked this to be like more of a neutral shimmer, more like a highlighted shade. That's just my personal opinion. I did go in on the inner corner highlight off camera just with my Metal Shock eyeshadow from Essence. Overall, I do like it. I'm very happy I was able to get this in BoxyCharm. I'm not sure if I need this in my collection though. Well, let me know what you think. Also, this is one of the first tries I've ever had with like a halo eye, so please let me know what you think of that. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. It's not, the formula is good. I do enjoy the formula. These mattes were so easy to blend. That's a win for me. I feel really torn. This shade right here though, I absolutely love. I'm pretty sure I could keep it just for these 3 shades. Yeah, they're pretty good. Let me know what you thought of today's video in the comments below, and I will see you all very soon. I'd be really interested to depot these. I don't know.